I can go on and on, but these are just a few examples of the scale and scope of fintech in India. Friends, financial inclusion is the driver of fintech revolution. Fintech is resting on 4 pillars: income, investments, insurance, and institutional credit. When income grows, investment becomes possible. Insurance coverage enables greater risk-taking ability and investments. Institutional credit gives wings for expansion. And we have worked on each of these pillars. When all those factors come together, you suddenly find so many more people participating in the financial sector. The large base becomes the perfect springboard for fintech innovations. Fintech industry in India is innovating to enhance access to finance and the formal credit system to every person in the country. Now, it is time to convert these fintech initiatives into fintech revolution. A revolution that helps to achieve financial empowerment of every single citizen of the country. Friends, as we see the widening reach of fintech, there are considerations that need attention. Fintech industry has achieved huge scale, and scale means people from all walks of life as customers. This fintech acceptability among the masses has a unique feature. That feature is trust. The common Indian has shown immense trust in our fintech ecosystem by embracing digital payments and such technologies. This trust is a responsibility. Trust means that you need to ensure that the interests of people are secure. Fintech innovation will be incomplete without fintech security innovation.
एबीपी न्यूज आपको रखे आगे।